In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use responsive AI with Wix Studio. First, log into your Wix account and head to My Sites. This is your main dashboard where all your projects live. To spin up something new, select Create New Site. Wix will guide you into the AI experience, which is the fastest way to get a solid responsive foundation without starting from a blank canvas. When the AI assistant opens, click Start Chat. Think of this as your brief. The clearer you are here, the better your starting design will be. Choose Help me answer to get guided prompts. You'll see options that help the AI understand your business and style. Use the highlight field to call out what makes your site special. This could be a product benefit, a limited time offer, or a unique value proposition. Type your highlight, then select it from the suggestions so the assistant knows exactly what to emphasize across your design. When you're done, click End Chat and continue to move forward. Next, pick the type of site you want to build. Select Online Store, then click Continue. Wix will prepare the essentials for selling, like product pages and a store layout. Choose Design Site to move into the creative flow, and then click Generate a Design. This is where responsive AI gets to work. It takes your inputs and produces a professional layout designed to adapt to desktop, tablet, and mobile right out of the box. You'll see a summary for My Site, explaining that your online store is built from the profile you just created. It may start with a single page, which keeps things simple and focused. Don't worry, you can always expand the structure later. Review the preview, then click Continue with this design to accept the generated look and feel. Next, proceed with Continue to the editor to open the full Wix Studio editing environment. Inside the editor, you can refine text, imagery, and colors. A quick tip: use the responsive previews to check tablet and mobile views, and tweak section spacing or font sizes if needed so everything feels balanced. When you're happy with the initial setup, click Publish to take your site live. After publishing, choose View Site to confirm everything looks great in a real browser. Finally, click Done to return to the dashboard. That's it. You've used Wix Studio's responsive AI to go from idea to a live, responsive online store in minutes. From here, you can continue customizing, add products and pages,